Hello everyone, warm greetings from Joginpalli BR Pharmacy College, a college under JB Educational Society, a unit of JB Group of institutions. Modern lifestyle led to nutritional shift owing to lower intake of vitamins and micronutrients, resulting in weaker immune system. Immune system is natural defense mechanism which helps body fight against various diseases. Ayurveda recommends boosting immunity as best way to combat various ailments. A properly balanced and boosted immune system helps in defending diverse parasitic infections. In current pandemic situation like COVID-19, need for immune boosting has been growing tremendously. Presenting JB ImmunoBoost, a multi-herb immune booster having more than 25 ingredients with proven efficacy. This product is easy to carry, convenient to use by all age groups with absolutely no side effect. This can be taken round the clock. Daily intake is recommended for good immunity. JB ImmunoBoost has an added advantages like instant relief from sore throat and as digestant. Now let's see how these immune boosters are being manufactured. All the ingredients used are cleaned and processed under hygienic conditions. All required ingredients are weighed accurately. Crude materials are grinded into fine powders. All the powder materials are extracted with water by hot extraction method. Appropriate quantity of sugar is added and concentrate is poured into molds. A prepared lozenges are removed from molds and are hygienically packed. We are glad that we have so far produced about more than 1000 number of lozenges in 7 to 8 batches, successively improving the quality and other parameters. Samples have been distributed to many within and outside the campus. Their response has been very encouraging. We have also been informed that JBIIAI would be willing to fund commercialization of the product. Hopefully, within the next few months, this product will hit Twin Cities market. We look forward for your comment and suggestions to help us deliver a product for immunity boosting. Please give your feedback on 9052073434 or email us on roopa03obe@gmail.com. Namaste, Jai Hind. We are glad